You know that feeling when you're stuck on the road, or your car just doesn't have the right tool when you need it most? I've been there too. Today, we're diving into 10 Amazon gadgets that aren't just clever, they might just save your day in ways you wouldn't expect. Imagine this, you're heading out for an important meeting or a weekend road trip, and suddenly, that little tire pressure light pops up. Most of us either panic or start hunting for the nearest gas station. But what if you didn't have to? That's where the Tire Inflator portable air compressor comes in. This compact tool packs a serious punch with a powerful motor that pushes out 36 liters of air per minute. It can inflate a small car tire in under a minute. Pretty impressive for something that can fit in your glove box. The built-in screen shows your real-time tire pressure with amazing accuracy, and once your preset level is reached, it automatically shuts off, so no more overinflating by mistake. It's wireless, rechargeable, and doubles as a power bank when your phone needs juice. And here's a bonus. It's also a safety tool with LED, SOS, and flashing lights if you ever get stranded at night. Honestly, this is the kind of gadget that pays for itself the very first time you use it. Now picture this, you're out on an off-road adventure, the trail is muddy, and your truck suddenly sinks deeper than you thought possible. Calling for help? Not exactly an option when you're miles away from the nearest road. This is where the SmittyBilt X20 -10 Kelvin's waterproof winch earns its reputation. With a pulling power of 10,000 pounds, backed by a heavy-duty 6.6 horsepower motor, this winch can pull your vehicle out of the stickiest situations. The fully sealed design and synthetic rope mean it won't quit on you, even in pouring rain or when caked in mud. And thanks to its 218:1 gear ratio. It's not just strong, it's fast, with smooth, reliable line speeds. I also love that it comes with both a wireless remote and a 12-foot wired one, so you can stay at a safe distance while recovering your vehicle. Built for durability, it's a real lifesaver for off-road enthusiasts, campers, and anyone who hates the idea of being stranded. This isn't just a gadget, it's peace of mind on 4 wheels. If you've ever owned a Jeep, you know one thing. It's all about freedom. Top down, doors off, cruising with the wind in your hair. But with that freedom comes a little problem. The weather doesn't always play nice. Rain, snow, harsh sun, they can do a number on your Wrangler's interior. That's exactly where the Neverland cab cover steps in. This cover is made with durable PIVA composite cotton that's not only 100% waterproof, but also UV 50+ rated, which means it shields against sun damage as well as rain and snow. It's designed to fit Jeep Wrangler 2-door models from 1,987 all the way up to 2025. So whether you've got an old school TJ or a newer JL, you're covered. Installation is a breeze thanks to the front label and elastic band. Plus it locks in place with 3 adjustable straps so it won't blow away during storms. And here's a smart touch. The trunk zipper lets you access the back without removing the whole thing. Think of it as a year-round guardian for your Jeep's cab. Ever wished you had X-ray vision to see inside tight spaces without tearing everything apart? That's pretty much what the 2-way articulating Borescope gives you. This gadget is like a secret spy camera for your car, your plumbing, or any place your eyes just can't reach. With a 210 degrees articulating camera head, you can actually bend and steer it around corners, pipes, or engine parts to see exactly what's going on. The 8.5mm snake-like probe is small enough to fit in tight spots, but tough enough to handle oil, water, and grime. And thanks to its 2.0 MP clarity, 8x zoom, and built-in LED lights, the images on the crisp 4.3-inch IPS screen are sharp, colorful, and easy to understand. No smartphone app or Wi-Fi needed. Whether you're a DIYer trying to troubleshoot a car issue, a mechanic inspecting hard-to-reach components, or just curious about what's clogging that pipe, this tool is a game changer. It even comes with a hook, magnet, and side mirror for those tricky retrieval jobs. Driving today can be unpredictable. You might trust your own skills, but you never really know what the driver in front of you will do. That's why the REDTIGER Dash Cam feels less like a gadget and more like insurance you can see. The front camera records in 4 Kelvins, while the rear captures in 1080p, so you're getting crystal clear footage of license plates, road signs, and everything in between. Both lenses cover a wide angle 170 degrees up front and 140 degrees in the back, cutting down on blind spots. Even at night, the f1.5 aperture and HDR divided by WD tech keep the video sharp and detailed. What makes this stand out is the built-in Wi-Fi and app control, letting you view, download, and even share clips instantly from your phone. The GPS feature logs your route, speed, and exact location, which can be a lifesaver in case of disputes. Plus, with loop recording, collision detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring, your car stays protected whether you're driving or not. It's like having a reliable witness riding along with you every single trip. works. Picture this, you slide into your car, and instead of fumbling with cords or outdated factory systems, a crisp 9-inch HD screen lights up with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Wireless, instant, no hassle. That's the magic of this portable car stereo upgrade. You can make calls, stream your playlists, or pull up GPS with Siri or Google Assistant, all hands-free. But here's where it really shines. It has a built-in 4 Kelvin's dash cam for the front and a 1080p backup camera with night vision for the rear. So not only does it modernize your ride, it also doubles as a safety net. The screen adjusts brightness automatically, so it stays clear whether you're driving through a dark tunnel or under blazing sunlight. And with screen mirroring, you can even cast videos or apps. Sorry, Netflix lovers, that one's not supported. Best part? It's plug and play. No messy wiring. Just connect through your cigarette lighter, and you've basically transformed your car into a smart hub on wheels. Car theft isn't something most of us think about until it happens. Imagine walking out of a store or waking up in the morning only to find an empty parking spot where your car should be. That sinking feeling is exactly why a solid steering wheel lock like the Tevlafi is worth having. Built from high-strength steel and aluminum alloy, this lock isn't just tough. It's designed to resist prying, sawing, hammering, even Freon attacks. It fits most vehicles with steering wheels between 6.6 and 12.5 inches. And the best part is, it installs in seconds without resting on your airbag. The double spring crescent lock design adds another layer of security, making it nearly impossible for thieves to bypass quickly. There's also a practical twist. It doubles as an emergency escape tool, with a hammer tip you can use to break a window in case you're trapped inside. Compact, easy to store, and a strong visual deterrent, the Tevlafi is one of those simple but powerful gadgets that protect both your car and your peace of mind. Let's be honest, cars get messy fast. Crumbs from drive-through snacks, sand from the beach, pet hair that somehow multiplies on its own. That's why having the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex in your trunk or glove box feels like a little secret weapon against everyday mess. Don't let its slim, lightweight design fool you. This cordless vacuum packs an 80,000 revolutions per minute, brushless motor with up to 19,000 pascals suction power. It's strong enough to suck up dirt, dust, and even those tiny pebbles that wedge themselves into floor mats. You get two modes, Eco mode for up to 40 minutes of runtime, and Max mode for a quick, powerful blast when things get extra dirty. It's also a 4-in-1 tool, so besides vacuuming, it can blow, inflate, and even pump. With 10 different accessories, including crevice nozzles, brushes, and a flexible hose, cleaning feels effortless. And when you're done, a one-touch system empties the dust bin, while the HEPA filter traps 95.99% of particles. Small, powerful, and ridiculously convenient, exactly what every busy driver needs. We all know the struggle balancing your phone on the dashboard, only for it to slide off the moment you hit a bump. That's where this MagSafe car phone holder changes the game. Designed for iPhone 12 through 16 series and any MagSafe device, it gives you a rock-solid hold with 22 N55 magnets, delivering up to 200% stronger grip than standard mounts. The suction base isn't your average sticky pad either. It uses a rotating lock vacuum suction cup with nanogel, supporting up to 78 pounds of force. That means it stays in place through sharp turns, rough roads, and even extreme temperatures. Plus, it's reusable, just rinse, and it regains suction. The design is smart too. A 360 degrees rotating base and dual-axis folding arms let you adjust it for portrait or landscape mode in seconds. When you're not using it, it folds down to half its size, keeping your dashboard clutter-free. Simple, secure, and built for convenience, this holder makes navigation, calls, and music control a whole lot easier on the road. If you've ever taken your dog for a car ride, you know it's always an adventure, muddy paws after the park, fur flying everywhere, or the occasional oops moment in the back seat. That's why the Alfheim cargo liner feels like a lifesaver for pet parents who love traveling with their furry co-pilots. Made from durable waterproof Oxford cloth, it protects your trunk and bumper from dirt, scratches, and hair. The non-slip rubberized backing keeps it secure, so your pup won't slide around while you're on the road. And here's a thoughtful touch. The foldable bumper flap adds extra protection when your dog jumps in or out, saving your paint from those enthusiastic claws. It's easy to set up with adjustable headrest, straps, and fasteners, and when it's time to clean, just wipe it down, toss it in the wash, or give it a quick shake. Lightweight yet sturdy. It even has a built-in pocket for leashes or toys. Perfect for road trips, camping, or just everyday drives, because happy dogs make happy rides. And there you have it, 10 Amazon gadgets that make driving safer, smarter, and a whole lot easier. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check the links below for today's gadgets, and subscribe for more must-have finds coming your way.